Charging by induction. Induction is the process by which a body acquires a charge of opposite sign without losing any of its own charges when another charged body is brought very close to it. Let us try to make a metal sphere positively charged by bringing a negatively charged glass rod near it. The metal sphere, which is supported on an insulating stand, is initially neutral. Bring a negatively charged rod near it without touching the sphere. The free electrons in the metal sphere are repelled by the excess of electrons on the rod, and they shift away from the rod. The charges cannot escape from the sphere because the supporting stand and the surrounding air are insulators. Thus we see that there is excess of negative charge on the side away from the rod and deficit of electrons on the side nearer to the rod. These charges are called induced charges. Let us see what happens to the charge if the metal sphere is connected to the ground by a conducting wire. The negative charges, that is, the electrons, flow to the ground, whereas the positive charges at the near end remain due to the influence of the charged rod. Now disconnect the sphere from the ground. The positive charge continues to remain on the sphere. Let us see what happens when the rod is removed. The charges spread uniformly over the sphere. Thus we get a positively charged metal sphere. The free electrons in the metal sphere move towards the side which is closer to the charged rod, and farther side becomes positively charged. If we ground the sphere, electrons flow from the earth into the metal sphere and neutralize the positive charges. On disconnecting the conductor from the sphere, only the negative charges remain on the sphere. On the removal of the glass rod, negative charges spread uniformly on the metal sphere.